Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to Lesson 10 of the Human Body Systems and Senses. We are moving on to Lesson 10, and we're going to be talking about vision. And we're going to start with the parts of the eye. So here we go. Let me get my... Remember, our questions we're talking about how do parts of the body work together to keep you alive? And what parts of the body work to help bones? I think that might not be the right question for this lesson, but we'll see. All right, so vocabulary. I'm giving you all the vocabulary for the read aloud and the chapter we're going to read in the book. The first word is pupil. Say it with me, pupil. This is a noun, it's a thing, so write it on the line. It's a small black opening in the center of the colored part of the eye that controls how much light can enter. So it's a little black part that controls how much light gets into our eyes. Next is lens. This is also a noun. Say it with me, lens. Write it on the line. The small flexible part of the eye that focuses light to produce an image. So the lens puts things into focus for us. Next is retina. Say it with me, retina. So the I in that word is kind of silent. We don't really hear that. It's a part of the eye that lies along the back inner wall of the eyeball and that allows us to see shades of gray in dim light, as well as colors and sharp images in bright light. Retina. Next is wondrous. This isn't necessarily a part of our eye. It's an adjective. It describes a person, place, or thing. Say it with me, wondrous. Write it on the line. And it's amazing. These are all synonyms. Amazing, miraculous, awesome. Those are all synonyms for the word wondrous. Remember, synonyms are words that mean the same. Next is iris. Say it with me, iris. This is a noun and it's our eye color. So it's the part around the pupil that is the colored part of our eye. Next is vision. This is a noun. Say it with me, vision. It's the sense of sight, the act of seeing. Next is cornea. Say it with me, cornea. This is also a noun. It's a thing. It's a thin, clear tissue that covers the iris, protects the eye from dirt and germs, and focuses light. Sounds like the cornea is pretty important. It has lots of different jobs. So it's a protector. Next is optic nerve. Say it with me, optic nerve. And you can see the arrow is pointing right here. So it's at the back of the eye. Optic nerve is a noun. It's the nerve that sends messages from your eyes to your brain about what you see. And I got ahead of myself with clicking. Our last word is rods and cones. Say it with me, rods and cones. That's a noun. And there are special cells that line the retina and send signals to the brain through the optic nerve. Those are your vocabulary words for this lesson, boys and girls. You're going to be submitting pages 18 to 20 on Schoology. Make sure you're spelling the words correctly and writing neatly.